The Shiromani Akali Dal and Congress coming out even in the by-polls to 2 seats in Punjab. Congress MP Amrinder Singh's wife and former Union Minister Parneet Kaur won from Patiala, while Akali Dal candidate Jeet Mohinder Singh Sidhu captured the Talwandi Sabo Assembly seat. Aam Aadmi Party, which surprised many by winning 4 parliamentary seats few months back, fared badly as both its candidates lost their deposits.
ने साढ़े 7 साल अकाली दल के साथ हुकूमत की है और बढ़िया हुकूमत नहीं की। उसका ये वजह थी कि आप आई सेकंड मोदी की वेव नहीं थी।
2 सीटों जिन पे चुनाव हुआ, दोनों कांग्रेस की सीटें थी। पटियाला हमेशा से कांग्रेस का गढ़ रहा है, पटियाला फैमिली का गढ़ रहा है। दूसरी सीट जो कांग्रेस की थी, अब वो अकाली दल के हिस्से में आ गई है। इससे एक बात साफ है कि अकाली दल उसी तरह बरकरार है। अगले चुनाव में अकाली दल फिर सरकार बनाएगा और हमारी जो बढ़त आप देख रहे थे, जो लोकसभा के बाद लोगों को नजर आई कि हम पीछे जा रहे हैं, वो इस चुनाव के बाद साफ हो गया है। अकाली दल आज भी पंजाब में अपनी जगह उनकी स्थिर है।
In Madhya Pradesh, BJP has won Vijay Raghavgarh and Agar out of the 3 seats that went into polls. Gopal Parmar won the Agar assembly seat, while Sanjay Pathak emerged victorious from Vijay Raghavgarh. On Bahuri Band seat, Congress candidate Saurabh Singh defeated BJP's Pranay Pandey. The ruling Congress has recaptured the Bellary rural seat from the BJP in Karnataka. Here Congress NY Gopalakrishnan was the winner. Ganesh Hokeri of Congress won the Chikkodi Sadalga assembly seat. In the prestigious Shikaripura seat previously held by former Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa, BJP candidate B.Y. Raghavendra won by a slender margin.
The Congress party was very strong. There is a strong base in Bellary also. The people were afraid of this Ramulu and Reddy's brothers. Now they came out from that fear and voted Congress party again.
So do you think the victory over the Bellary seat is a big victory for the Congress, because the Congress has been trying to wrest Bellary from the BJP, and the BJP had made Bellary its political stronghold and the fort till recently.
The recent by-election results are significant as they were held just 3 months after the Lok Sabha elections. The results come as a relief to the Congress, while the BJP will have to introspect as it failed to continue the momentum of stupendous Lok Sabha elections performance.